In this video, let's see the 20mm Toyota Highlander wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. Installing Toyota wheel spacers has long been a common practice among many Highlander lovers. They are components that attach your Toyota Highlander wheel studs. The wheel is installed on the wheel spacers so that the tires can sit flush with the fenders. Installing Toyota Highlander wheel spacers can create additional space between the wheel hub assembly and the rim. To some extent, adding wheel spacers provide the same effect as lower offset wheels. For Toyota Highlander stock wheels, 20mm spacers provide the front and back perfect flush stance. Besides, using the brand Toyota Highlander wheel spacers is also important. BONOSS FT cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so each achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Toyota Highlander wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipating effect and improving road safety. 20mm wheel spacers fit the Toyota Highlander perfectly. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Toyota Highlander, you can install the 20mm wheel spacers on the front wheels and the rear. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.